Phages kind of border the line between living organisms and not. We went out and collected soil and we mixed it with this host bacteria to see if there were these microorganisms called phages. They inject their DNA into bacteria like our host and use it to grow and replicate. The clinical applications of phages, for example, would be phage therapy, which is a treatment for bacterial infections where we use a group of phages to infect the bacteria in a person and destroy that bacteria.
SEA-PHAGES is our foundations of bio class, but it also adds the element of research. We are student researchers, not just the assistants to Dr. Burbush. We get to do it ourselves.
We're not like, oh, well, Dr. Bogush did most of it, we did it. When our phage died, yeah, that was us, that we're the reason that it died. But then at the same time, when we finally succeeded, it was our success and it was our project that we worked on. It's really cool, but it's really intimidating.
It is very intimidating, but it's really, really rewarding and really helpful because we've never done something like this before.
And when we started, no one knew what they were doing and we were all so confused. We did an experiment yesterday. When we did that experiment at the beginning of last semester, we were so confused and we were scrambling, trying to figure everything out. Today, when we got our serial dilutions, we actually did it perfectly for the first time because a semester later, we actually knew what we were doing and we felt confident in research.
It's really amazing because we're able to contribute to the greater scientific community. Yes, we're just college students, most of us are just freshmen here, but it's really amazing that we're able to make such a great impact on something that could help in phage therapy, food production, agricultural, environmental processes.
I feel really confident in my research abilities following this class. Learning these techniques, having the confidence to be able to do research like this. I made all these friends and I honestly wouldn't have met them without this class. I guess it's a shared experience and everyone in this class, I love them all. Honestly, I don't want to lose contact with them after this, so that's my favorite experience.